Everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the auto correction not working. For this, go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option. From there, scroll down and find the keyboard option, turn off the auto correction and back. Then do a force restart by press and release the volume up button and down button, and press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to force restart. If it doesn't work for the first time, try again. If the autocorrection still doesn't work, then go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option. From there, then press keyboard, then keyboards, add a new keyboard and delete the current keyboard you have. Then if the autocorrection is still don't work, because this system is the sync the keyboard dictionary system, then you can otherwise a step you have to clear the keyboard dictionary setting. For this, go to the general option, scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option, tap the reset. Then you can see the reset keyboard dictionary option, tap on it and reset your keyboard dictionary option. This will resync the keyboard dictionary and the auto action will fix. But if it still not working, you have to check the software update. For this, go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option. From there, tap the software update option. From here, if any update is available, just install it. I hopefully your problem is fixed. If the video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.